Want to enhance your smart home experience? This tutorial will show you how to seamlessly integrate your Somfy Tahoma device with the Nice platform. To install the Nice Tahoma driver, open Configurator, navigate to the lighting section, and click Plus Lighting Controller. In the pop-up window, select Import to locate the downloaded driver. Choose Tahoma Cloud, click Open, and then click Install. Once installed, ensure your Tahoma unit is set up. Log in to your local Somfy website, locate your Tahoma device, and note its PIN, and verify that developer mode is active. To configure the driver, input the device IP address, license key, Somfy username, your registered email, Somfy account password, Tahoma unit PIN, and select your location. Click Apply to initiate the driver's connection to the Tahoma unit and automatic device configuration. For detailed device configuration instructions, refer to our other videos. Thank you for watching. For more information and expert support, visit hopsoft.com.au or contact us at support@hopsoft.com.au. We're here to help you every step of the way.